wind advisory has just been issued for us. You can see, and a winter weather advisory has just been issued. That's for northeast Nebraska. So let me see something real quick.
The wind was held at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 31. The pressure was 29.80 inches and falling. Across eastern Nebraska, it was 54 at Plattsmouth. It was sunny, with a temperature of 60 at Beatrice, 57 at Nebraska City, and 53 at Grand Island. Under sunny skies, Columbus reported 50, Norfolk reported 53, and Fremont reported 52. In Omaha, it was mostly sunny.
Okay, so this is what we are seeing right now on the map. That's the wind advisory, winter weather advisory, and that's the winter storm watch. Another winter weather advisory, high wind warning, high wind watch, high wind watch, high wind watch, winter weather advisory, I'm guessing, I'm not sure, but that's, high wind, wind advisory.
This hazardous weather.
We're gonna do that, but that is the fire weather watch or something, fire weather advisory or something. I don't know. But then Alaska has it, so no problem.
For today and tonight, southerly winds will gust 30 to 40 miles per hour this afternoon, leading to high fire dangers. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Strong north winds will affect the region Wednesday, with peak gusts in the 45 to 55 miles per hour range. Winds will affect travel for high-profile vehicles, especially along Interstate 80. Light snow is also expected with 1 to 2 inch accumulations possible in northeast Nebraska and 0 to 1 inches possible elsewhere. A few roads could become slicking time for the Wednesday morning commute. Blowing snow may also reduce visibility at times. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. Wind advisory information for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Colfax, Dodge, Douglas, Gage, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Nemaha, Odo, Pawnee, Platte, Richardson, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, Seward, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Harrison, Mills, Montgomery, Page, Pottawatomie, and Shelby. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. What? Northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of east central, northeast and southeast Nebraska and southwest Iowa. When? From 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio Station WXM-20 in Lincoln, Nebraska. The current time is 1:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now for the official national...
Alright, it is right now 1:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, and as you can see, wind advisory and winter weather advisory. So,
Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, Seward, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Harrison, Mills, Montgomery, Page, Pottawatomie, and Shelby. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday.
alright, so it was just so right now the main Omaha channel is right now reading the wind advisory, and they're about to read the winter weather advisory. These were issued at 9:02 and 9:03 p.m. just a minute apart from now.
tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. This is NOAA All Hazards radio station KIH 61 in Omaha, Nebraska. The current time is 1:36 p.m. Central Standard Time. Winter weather information for the following counties in Nebraska: Antelope, Boone, Burt, Cedar, Cumming, Knox, Madison, Pierce, Stanton, Thurston, and Wayne. Winter weather advisory in effect from 4 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 3 inches. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour. Where? Portions of east central and northeast Nebraska and west central Iowa. When? From 4 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions. Blowing and drifting snow could significantly reduce visibility to less than a half mile at times. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and make driving difficult for high-profile vehicles. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Now for the official national...
Alright. So I'll be reading this for you. So OAX issues wind advisory valid until December 23rd, 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for Fremont, Harrison, Mills, Montgomery, Page, Potawatomi, Shelby, Iowa, and Butler, Cass, Colfax, Dodge, Douglas, Gage, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Nemaha, Oda, Potawatomi, Platte, Richardson, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, Seward, Washington, Nebraska until December 23rd at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. We live in Lancaster County, and we are right in the middle of it. That I will be, as you can see, as I saw, let you see the wind advisory. Then it says KAX issues winter weather advisory valid until December 23rd at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time for Mahona, Iowa, and Antelope, Boone, Bart, Cedar, Cumming, Knox, Madison, Pierce, Stanton, Thurston, Wayne, NE, which is Nebraska, until December 23rd, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. Right now, yesterday was the first day of winter, so it is kind of just a little bit of warm in the air, and my controller died. Yes, no, it didn't. It just went to power saving mode. Oh, there's the thing again. Oops. So, yeah. So if you live somewhere here, I heard that in Alaska, some parts of Alaska will be getting negative 55 degrees below zero, and I'm not kidding. Okay, it says high. Okay, so impactful weather expected in Alaska to the lower 48 states. So it says high winds, snow, and wind chills to negative 55 degrees can be expected for large segments of Alaska through midweek in wait, did I just... Sorry, guys. Okay. I thought they expanded this thing. But back to what I was saying, states are a powerful cold front. Well, a powerful cold front will bring widespread high winds, central wildfire weather threats in southern California, heavy snow and blowing snow in the upper Midwest, and heavy lake affected snow. On Thursday, heavy rain and severe storms potential move into the east, which I think there's going to be severe weather down here. Like, not really severe weather, like not tornado-wise, like maybe severe storms. A couple severe thunderstorm warnings, but I will probably record them. And then here's all your warning watches and advisories and stuff, so I'll read them. Hurricane force wind warning, blizzard warning, winter storm warning, high wind warning, storm warning, flood warning, gale warning, winter weather advisory, wind chill advisory, flood advisory, coastal flood advisory, heavy freezing spray warning, dense fog advisory, small craft advisory, hazardous seas warning, wind advisory, frost advisory, avalanche watch, rip current statement, beach hazard statement, gale watch, winter storm watch, high wind watch, fire weather watch, extreme fire danger, special weather statement, special weather, marine weather statement, and air quality alert. Whew. So yeah, I will be doing a outside weather update in Lancaster County, which is that. Can I zoom in? No. We don't want that. There we go. Oh. Okay, it does not want me to zoom in any closer. But we live in that county right here. And we are right in the middle of it. So yeah. So I'll be doing an outside weather update, so stay tuned to my channel. And so thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And one more time, there is the winter weather advisory and wind advisory for us. Not the winter weather advisory, just the wind advisory. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Share your friends, family members, and I'll see you guys later. Also, I will be doing an outside weather update after this video uploads, so yeah. So, hopefully you guys stay healthy. Hopefully you guys have a great Christmas, since it's only 3 days away, since it's Tuesday. So yeah, so again guys, have a great day. Always stay happy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.